Alright guys, we're back on the lake. We're trying to catch some fish. Should be a good one. It's 80 degrees. The water's kind of flat. You should be catching some fish. They should be on beds today. Today should be a good one. What you think, Glenn?
Yeah, I think today's gonna be a great one.
How many fish you think we're gonna hit, Glenn?
For me, I don't know, but at least 25.
25? That's a big number. All right, hopefully it'll be a good water bait, a little popper. See can I get some bites. Where the net at?
Snag something?
I don't know. Get off. Yeah.
What the fuck?
Them trees. Oh, you trying to catch me in them trees? No, motherfucker, no. Nice little guy. See cold. Got one. Big one. No, he just had me in the grass. Ooh. About the same size. Oh. Same size. Cool, nasty. You didn't have to do all that. We can go get that. Yo, what you told me earlier, ain't no fish in the tree. Yeah. Glenn, you told me ain't no fish in the tree, man. You know this going on video, right? not when mine's went in the tree, but definitely when yours went in the tree. I'm sorry. Thank you a bit. Oh, you want to? No. Chill out. Another guy. Another look like another male. Oh yeah, this seems like it's a good one. Oh. It seems like it's a good one. No.
Miami?
It was a long cast, man. Don't be a stick. Please don't be a stick. Oh. So we got to the boat. Oh, you want a hot dog me? Come on. You're not even that big, guy. My friend, you're not even that big, my friend. Another one. God dog. Thick one. Right.
Fish was just jumping right.
Oh, is that fish chase? Oh, I got one. Oh. What are you? You must have done this before. This can't be your first. Oh, yeah, it is. About 3 pounds. About 2. A good 2-pounder on a Picasso swim jig. I've never been on the outer and not caught a fish on a Picasso. Hooked them good too. Right. Now you're worthy to go. Oh, what the? That must have been grass. That's what that was. Got him now. Oh, he jumped out the water. Through my. Do you see that? Oh, you got some energy. Oh, knock yourself out. Knock yourself out. Knock yourself out. You got so much energy. For what? For what? You wasn't going nowhere. You see how I hooked him? Through the mouth? Alright. See you later. I got enough for you. Alright. We're doing it on the cool nasty bait. Beaver. Sweet beaver. Hey guys, thanks for watching ColeOutdoors.